Hello guys, welcome into another trade breakdown video. Today is 11th February 2025. Trade was taken during the London session on the Nasdaq. I posted on my Twitter as always. Every day I share all of my trades here. It's like my journal. I took this trade on the Express account on the top step with a little bit higher take profit, and because there is no consistency rule, yeah. And on the Tradify account, on the 5 funded Tradify account, there is a consistency rule. Then there I am going small risk and really just focusing on the consistency. Here is also the execution from the top step. Yeah, this trade was really simple, really fast. It was like 30 seconds on trade away, then little more on the top step. Here is also guys in the Discord making nice profits today. 1.5 R short, and FXD7 is up 4.2% on giveaway account. Then it was really good. February starts really good. Last week I had 100% win rate with RRC model. You can see here is the report from last week on one of my top step accounts. Also all trades were posted on my Twitter profile. You can see everything there on my Twitter. Okay, let's get jump to the trade. First of all, we start with the bias. Okay, I always go to 5 minutes, zoom out and just see if we are in the bullish trend or bearish trend. And now we can see we start bearish trend down, and what I use is the simply premium and discount, make like this, and okay, I know I'm safe to short till the equilibrium and then to see if we still continue strongly bearish or we start maybe potential reversal and go up. Then I mark always the liquidity, okay, untaken liquidity. You can see the difference. We sweep now this low, yes, we sweep this low, but we didn't sweep this low, and the same situation happened here. We sweep this low here, but we didn't sweep these lows, and all of this is resting liquidity. Okay, sorry, it should be correct now. All of this is resting liquidity. Then this is for me like the main target currently. That was, I think, my take profit also. And then we are bearish. Okay, we are above the 50% on the current leg. We are in the downtrend and we have a lot of liquidity here. Here we can see we sweep liquidity. Okay, we sweep this liquidity and then break the original low of this liquidity move. Now we sweep this liquidity. Okay, and for this liquidity this is original low, but we sweep also this liquidity. For this liquidity this is original low. Then we are expecting this one to be taken and then swing down also to take this liquidity. What I use as point of interest, 90% of the time I use 5 minutes, sometimes together with 15 minutes. We have this 5 minutes bearish fair value gap and 5 minute bullish fair value gap which fail. You can see we make nice reaction and then strong close down, which is only confirmation we are going for that liquidity below. Swing high taken and strong close down with this candle. I am also marking this will be more precise entry. Okay, then I mark this. I always try to get as much how to say precise entry as possible. I want to have my top candle on the highest point of interest possible in case of short. We go to 30 seconds and now we're waiting if we tap also the failed one, okay, the inversion one. Now you can see the tap, and what you can see on the 50% level we just react. Okay, react with weak, we don't even body close above 50% level. And this is our top candle. Okay, and here is the RRC candle. If you don't know what is top candle, RRC candle, go to first video on my YouTube channel. Is the strategy breakdown video. There I explain every detail of the strategy, every aspect, how to trade it, how to approach it, what is the RRC, what is top candle, how to put stop loss, take profit. I explain there everything. Then go check that video if you don't know what is RRC and top candle. Okay, now we wait for the body close below RRC, which happened here, and we can nice market entry in because there is no huge difference. Okay, it's like 1 point difference. If the candle close somewhere here, okay, if this candle close somewhere here, let's get back. If this candle close and next candle close here, I will not enter market in because it's so huge range for the stop loss. But if candle close here, here, you can enter. It's not a huge difference. Okay, then we wait for the market close. Body close below the RRC. My stop loss I put above the both of point of interest, and my take profit was on this liquidity, which was exactly 1.5, which is my favorite take profit. I go 90% of the time I go for 1.5 R, sometimes I go for 2 R. Depends also on the accounts. If there is consistency rule or not, if I am on a huge buffer or not, and stuff like that. But for me 1.5 R is like holy grail for me in my risk management. And then we can see straight to the take profit. This trade was again like duration of the trade was 30 seconds, 1 minute. That's the huge benefit of the RRC model. You are done in 5-10 minutes for the day. I go for one trade a day. You can see on my Twitter profile, I go every day one trade. I wait for the best trade ever. Like there is a lot of opportunity with RRC per day. Okay, you can have like 5-6 opportunities per the London and another 5-6 per the New York. But I am focusing only to pick the totally best one, A plus setup. Before 1 year I was taking all RRC setups, which appear my win rate was like 60%, okay? But now I find out from the journal some confluences, extra confluences, best times of the day, best point of interest, how to look for correct point of interest, how to look for the direction. And when I have all of these confluences there, I took only that trade, the A plus trade. And since I'm doing this, my win rate is around 85-90%, as you can see on my Twitter. And these extra confluences, I'm not sharing them on YouTube. On YouTube I show you the basic of the model, okay, the base of the model, the stock version. Then you can do your journaling and everything, and you can find your confluences by yourself. But I'm sharing these extra confluences in my private Discord group, where you will get also access to the videos. If you are interested, just go on my Twitter profile and check the pinned post. In this pinned post video is all information about the trading group, about the videos, about everything. And you can see here in the comments my statements. This was win from Apex accounts. It was more than 2 months report, 98% win rate. I trade every day, one trade per day. Here was also the Tradify report, 83% win rate, also 2 months. Okay, here was the report from Trade08. You can see 93%. Average trade was 2 minutes. That's what I'm talking about. You are done for the day in few minutes. And trade was like 44. It was over 2 months with 93% win rate. And here is some feedbacks from my students, certificates. They are doing really good right now. Then the RRC model is really consistent model. What I can give you my advice on the risk management and how to get as much payouts as possible. It's simple. Don't go for one account and try to make huge profit on that. Instead of that, focus to make as much funded accounts as possible. Go for, I don't know, 10, 20, 30 funded accounts. Just focus on passing them, okay? And then go risk $200 per trade and go 1.5 R, which is $350 profit. And if you have 10 funded accounts, it's $3,500 per one trade in 30 seconds like today, okay? Then it can be simple like that. Don't be greedy and try to focus on that. Then that's all from me for today. And make sure to check also other trade breakdown videos. You can get more details there, some extra tips. And if you have some questions, just leave a comment under this video and I will be happy to answer your question in the comments. Or if you have some request what you want to see next video, I can show it in the next video. and have a good day, guys. Thank you.